Now, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to fund your wallet, be it Trust Wallet, Meta Max, or Token Pocket. Now, provided you've already buy your crypto, which is USDT, from the exchange, from the P2P, okay? So, all you need to do is you first come to the exchange, right? Which is bybit, right? You come under asset here. When you come under asset, then you are going to see funding. This is where your money automatically goes to. So you tap on funding. And once you tap on funding, you are going to see all the list of the assets you have. And in this case, we have USDT. Okay, USDT. So it's USDT now. We want to transfer it to our Trust Wallet or Token Pocket. So now you tap on the USDT. Once you tap on it, what you do is you convert the USDT to Matic first. Okay, you have to convert it to Matic for you to be able to send it to Trust Wallet. So you convert it, you tap on convert, then you come here, you make sure it's USDT, then here you change here to Matic. Okay, so that's what we are going to be doing now. When you tap on that place, that Ethereum, you can see Matic is the one that is first above. You tap on Matic. When you tap on Matic, now in this case it's everything I want to convert. Everything I want to convert. So I'll tap on max. When I tap on max, automatically the total number of the 18 USDT that I have will be giving me 34 Matic. So what I will now do is I will tap on quote. As you can see the yellow button below here, when I tap on quote, I'll quickly tap on confirm. Immediately as I tap on confirm, I will make sure I do it very fast so that it is going to convert. You can see it has finished converting. View asset now. It has finished converting. If you now refresh, you are going to see that it has converted. So it has been converted to what? To Matic. Now what you are going to do is you go to your wallet, be it either Token Pocket or MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Now in this case is Token Pocket. Okay, in this case is Token Pocket. When you come to Token Pocket, what you will do is you will tap on Matic here. You tap on this Matic. As you tap on Matic, so that you will copy the wallet address. So many of you don't know how to do this, so I want to show you now. You tap on Matic. When you tap on it, then you can see here this is receive. Okay, when you see receive, then you tap on it, receive, then you see here, you see copy. Okay, then you copy. This is how you copy the wallet address. Now you now go back to the bybit. You tap on Matic, and then we are going to tap. This time we are tapping on withdraw. We are withdrawing from the Matic to our Token Pocket. Okay, so I tap on withdraw. Then now, because I tap on Matic, automatically here it is Matic. So make sure it is like that on your own, right? And then here I will paste the wallet address of my Matic address. I'll come here under network. Here I will tap on it and I'll choose Matic because it is the Matic network. Okay, maybe you are using Binance or any other exchange, yours will be Polygon or Polygon Matic. Okay, so but on bybit it is written Matic. Then here you put the amount. I'll put max because I want to send or transfer everything, right? Then I now withdraw. I'll now tap on withdraw. If this is your first time on your own, if you press on confirm, it is going to tell you to put in password. Okay, but mine, this is not my first time, so I've already saved it already. So when I press confirm, you see it says so submit successfully. But if it's for you, you have to use authenticator and authenticate it. Then that's all. Then all you now have to do is to go to your Token Pocket and wait a bit to see if it has reflected. If it has reflected, so you can see that currently it is $4, which is 8 Matic, right? So once that one arrives, is going to show here. You can see it has arrived and it is confirming. Can you see it? It is confirming. So that is how you send or you fund your wallet using um what do you call it, bybit exchange platform, or how you fund your wallet. Okay, how you fund your wallet from an exchange. Okay, so now what is going to happen is, now I want to convert some of this matic to DAI, because that's all you are going to be doing. Okay, especially if yours is a new wallet. Now don't be foolish to go and convert everything into DAI. Okay, you must make sure you have some matic left. So let's say you are converting, you have $50 and you fund your wallet with $50. You need to at least make sure that you will be left with at least $2 worth of matic, and then $48 worth of DAI. So how do you know this? Is you come to under the matic, you come to swap. Okay, just be watching everything I am doing. You tap on swap. When you tap on swap, this is going to appear for you. Okay, for me now, I want to convert what I sent, which is 34 matic, to DAI. So that is what I will be swapping to DAI. So I'll tap here, this place I've shown now. So I'll select it and I'll look for DAI. Can you see? So I'll look for DAI. Now I'll now tap 34, right? 34. And then I'll now tap, once I have tapped the 34, I'm going to tap here. Immediately the figure is going to show, right? Which is 18, right? Then confirm. Then confirm payment. So successful. So if you go back here now, you refresh your page, you're going to see that the number of the matic will soon is going to reduce. You see it reduce. It shows that it has been converted to DAI. Okay, so that is how you fund your wallet. Okay, so if you have any question, you could always reach out to me, and subscribe to this channel so that you learn more from me. See you next time. Bye.